welcome to Colombo RoofTop Talk. Today we are going to show you how to make perfect soil for your container pots. Everyone is wondering what is the good soil mix for all plants. So today I'm going to show you how to make the correct soil mix for your pots. Making the perfect soil mix is a big challenge for beginners who start home gardening in containers. Today we are preparing the perfect soil mix including the garden soil, which you can collect from any big land or now commercially available in 10 or 25 kilogram bags, the compost and the Cocopeat. First, you have to mix them thoroughly. Then we add normal sand into the mix. Adding sand will help the mix not getting cluttered or toughened, which affect the roots of the plants, which leads to root rotting. Adding sand also helps to drain the excess water easily, especially during the rainy season. Read the description for the percentage of each items used in the mix. Thank you once again for watching Colombo Gardens Rooftop Talk videos, and like and subscribe us to see more informative videos.